So, if you want to watch TNT Sports on all your devices in 2026 phone smart, TV, tablet, laptop, or even your gaming console, this video is for you. Because honestly, a lot of people subscribe to a sports service, but then realize they have no idea how to actually watch it across different devices. Maybe the app won't install. Maybe the stream doesn't load properly. Or maybe you just don't know which devices are supported. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch TNT Sports on all your devices, step by step, and how to make the experience smoother overall. All right, first, the easiest way to watch is through the official streaming app or provider connected to your subscription. Depending on your region, access may come through a TV provider, streaming platformer, and official sports app. Once you have access, the next step is simply signing into your account on the device you want to use. Now let's start with phones and tablets. This is probably the easiest setup. Go to your device's app. Download the official app connected to your TNT Sports Access, install it, sign in, and you're ready to stream. Most modern phones and tablets handle live sports very well, especially with a stable internet connection. Now let's talk about smart TVs, because this is where many people get confused. Some smart TVs already support the app directly, while others may need a streaming device. So first, check your TV's app store, search for the official app, download it, then sign into your account. If your TV doesn't support the app natively, you can still stream using devices like streaming sticks, gaming consoles, or screencasting from your phone. Now let's move to laptops and desktop computers. This setup is usually very simple. Open your browser, go to the official streaming website connected to your subscription, sign in, and start watching directly from there. For the smoothest experience, make sure your browser is updated, because outdated browsers can sometimes cause playback issues. Now let's talk about gaming consoles, because a lot of people watch sports this way now. Depending on the console and region, you may be able to install the streaming app directly. Once installed, just log into your account normally and start streaming from your console. Honestly, this can be one of the best viewing experiences, especially on larger screens. Now, here's something important. Internet quality matters a lot for live sports. Even the best setup can struggle if your connection is unstable. So if the stream keeps buffering, try moving closer to your router, using a wired connection if possible, or lowering the video quality slightly. Stable connection usually matters more than ultra-high resolution, especially during live matches. Now, another important tip: keep your apps updated. A lot of streaming problems happen simply because people are using outdated app versions. Updates often fix bugs, improve performance, and add support for newer devices. Now let's talk about account limits. Some services limit how many devices can stream at the same time. So if streams suddenly stop working, check whether too many devices are connected simultaneously. Logging out of unused devices can sometimes fix this immediately. Now, here's another thing. People overlook battery saving settings, especially on phones and tablets. Some devices restrict streaming performance when battery saving mode is enabled. So if streams lag, freeze, or lower quality automatically, check your power settings. Now let's be honest for a second, a lot of streaming issues aren't actually caused by the sports service itself. Usually it's things like weak internet, old apps, unsupported devices, or account setup problems, and once those are fixed, the experience becomes much smoother. So to wrap this up, if you want to watch TNT Sports on all your devices in 2026, download the official app or use the official website, sign into your subscription account. Make sure your apps and devices are updated and use a stable internet connection for the best experience, because once everything is set up properly, you can stream live sports smoothly across pretty much all your devices without major issues.